Welcome to the Graduate365 video on the Cohort Comparison by Parent Education report. This report allows me to compare graduation and enrollment rates of cohorts of first-time freshmen or new undergraduate transfer students by parent education level. Let's look at how to find information for a specific population. In this example, I want to look at new undergraduate transfer students whose parents have graduated college or who are the first generation to attend college. I'll start by clicking on Enrollment Type to change the population of students. I'll select New Undergraduate Transfer. Now I'll click on Parent Education to select which parent education levels I want included on my report. I only want to view two parent education levels, so first I'll click Select All to uncheck all of the parent education levels. Now I'll place a check mark next to Parent Graduated College and Student is First Generation College to include those on my report. The report will update with my selections automatically. Let's scroll down to look at the chart in more detail. The chart is showing new undergraduate transfer student cohorts from fall 2004 through fall 2023, where the students have identified as having a parent who graduated college or as being the first generation to attend college. Right away, I notice that there is a greater percentage of students who are not graduated and not enrolled in the spring 2021 cohort as compared to other cohorts. So I'm going to hover my mouse over that row to see more details. The green section of the row indicates that 57.2% of the spring 2021 cohort with parents who graduated college or who are first generation to attend college have graduated from the university. The blue section of the row indicates that 22.2% of the spring 2021 cohort with parents who graduated college or who are first generation to attend college is enrolled and not graduated. The red section of the row indicates that 20.6% of the spring 2021 cohort whose parents graduated college or who are first generation to attend college is not graduated and not enrolled. I want to investigate these students more, so let's scroll down to the table to view more details. Since all cohorts since fall 2004 are listed, I'll need to scroll down to view the spring 2021 cohort. Now I can view more details for the spring 2021 cohort of new transfer students whose parents graduated college or students who are first generation to attend college. I can see that the not graduated and not enrolled count and percentage is slightly higher for students who are first generation to attend college. If I look at the spring 2020 cohort, the rates are similar. But if I look at spring 2022, I can see that the gap is wider. So I may want to focus on tracking the spring 2022 cohort. I want to save this table to Excel, so I'll click on the Menu Options button. Then I'll choose Export to Excel, although I can also export to CSV if I want to use Excel but have more flexibility with the formatting. The file will then be available in my Downloads folder within a few minutes. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about Graduate365, you can view links to additional resources in the notes for this video.